Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Bitcoin is coming down to our long areas and I still think we're gonna go higher, boys. So for people who are short about on this value area low on golden pocket, I would say, maybe take some profits and just beware, be careful, because I'm going to give you the TA today why I think we're still going higher. But I could be wrong, boys. Like, I'm just a random guy here on YouTube, and I'm not even a financial advisor. So none of here is financial advice. Everything here is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. All right. So before we go into our TA, boys, if you've been liking my video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. I post Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana videos, technical analysis, and prop firm tutorials every day here. And if you want to support the channel more, I do have some links on the exchanges and prop firms that I use. You can click my link tree right here. It will take you to all of the links and also have a public Telegram trade alerts. This is where I post all of my trades, real time trade alerts, basically. So, all right, let's go into the video. This first long actually didn't. I mean, could have worked. I should have maybe taken this long, to be honest. But I was kind of like, I want to be patient and wait for my box to get hit, and then went to sleep. Never got any trades. We were just chopping right here, and finally Asia today, leading to midnight open. We just sliced through down, and basically two of our longs failed. So um that didn't work. Wait, where's my indicators? Hold on. Let me just pull up my indicator. Okay. And then basically I am waiting for this now. Honestly, now looking at this, I think I might wanna change this into here. I would probably like put it somewhere below this weekend low, right? Even this one. So I think the long perfect long here would be for us to come down, take everyone out, something like that, then bounce and then wait for a retest and then go higher. So I would probably like enter here. I would never catch a knife because we might just slice through down and go lower. But if we get something like this, I'm gonna take the long. So I'm just gonna give a uh, wider box here because I have a lot of levels right there. So um, just to let you know, this is a little bit wider box. You have a range POC right there, golden pocket, and I think there's really some volume on this level. So this is basically the plan. Now, the reason why I think we're gonna go higher is because of the daily candle. It doesn't have a wick, so I feel like we're going to fix that today before the day ends. It's probably gonna come up, make a wick, and then decide where it wants to park, right? So if you can see, like, every time Bitcoin doesn't have a daily candle wick, it fixes it. Like, it goes back for it, makes a wick, and then decides where it wants to go. So that's the only thing uh right now that's telling me why we are still gonna go higher. There's no wick. So Bitcoin doesn't leave candles like this. If it does, it always comes back for it and makes a candle wick before the day ends. But who knows? I could be wrong again. But I am still leaning more into longs. I just wish I shorted a scalp here, quick scalp leading to my longs, but I really didn't want because the move yesterday was right during the weekend, and Monday was really strong, and like we got above the value area low, and I really thought that if we could hold this till New York PM, and then we get a back test of previous day EQ, classic New York 1-2 punch, and then we pump, finally get back inside the range. But we didn't get it, so we might get it finally today, but who knows? Who knows? We could also just range here, to be honest. Like I could see us just ranging here until Friday, till we get the CPI numbers. So just be aware, all right? Hold on. But other than that, it's looking pretty nice. We're almost here at our long level. This is I would say like the perfect, like I would say like a B setup, I would say. But take it all the way to PD high. That's like 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That's a very, very nice. But I could see us taking the weekend lows first, even come lower. So that's why I'm gonna be careful here. Like I want to wait for a change of market structure, back test of the recent higher breaker, you'd say, or inversion, whatever you want to call it, and then we go higher. So this is where I want to enter, have the optimal entry, and then your stop loss would be below the low. All right, this is what I'm looking for here. All right, other than that, that's it. Very easy to digest TA for today. Again, there's no new high impact news today. We might just chop around here throughout the week because CPI is still on Friday. The only reason why I'm long bias today is the daily candle moved down straight and we don't have a wick to the upside, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Let's actually look at the futures chart. Futures chart does have a wick, little bit wick. So you want to see something like that on the Bybit chart. And the weekly, I mean the chart on CME low looks really good. That's like a nice swing low, to be honest. So we took all the liquidity right here. All sell sides got taken out. Next draw would be probably this or even this. Might go higher. So uh that is it for this video, boys. Thank you for watching. I'm long bias this week until we get the numbers of CBI. And thank you for watching.